Today, I'm gonna go ahead and then render an image. And the image should recite a story by itself, just by looking at it. Let's get started. Okay, so for this image, I decided to go with chess as the main subject in this image. Why did I choose chess? Well, besides the fact that I am very bad at chess and then I lose literally every game which I play, chess is also an abstract and a very dramatic game. Considering it's basically a war between black and white, and it could be made dramatic in an abstract way, and that is where it all started. I decided to go with this concept where every other white pawn is dead and the only white pawn alive and which is standing would be the king, and that would make it more dramatic. That's it. And then it is surrounded by all the black pawns which we have, and this leaves this dramatic scene where the only person alive is the king, and it is surrounded by other black pawns, other opponents of that pawn. And once all of that is done, this is the final image which I managed to create. Of course, it is very easy to create this render, and this was basically not even a tutorial. This render right here was more of conceptual and abstract messages put together to give an image which could seem more dramatic. This image right here is fairly very easy to do, to create the message which it passes, which is the goal of this video, to create an image which recites a story by itself. If you want more videos like this, you might want to subscribe right away to get more videos like this. That said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will meet you in the next